morning and welcome back to the channel. Since the last video I was very busy working on a detailed track plan for the station area, and I also made a really good deal at a station building, which I have to reassemble later on in this video. But before we get into that, I want to show you the track plan.
Alright, that's the lovely track plan I've come up with. The station consists of 3 main tracks and a lot of sidings, because I like shunting operations. It's the most fun for me, and I need space to store trains and coaches which are not in use. Also, I've incorporated in my plan a station building, of course, and a signal box, and of course we've got also an engine shed and a goods shed. So these are the 4 main buildings I wanted to incorporate right off the bat. There will be some other buildings and facilities further on. I've got 2 different types of switches which differ in the approach angle. So we've got all the switches surrounded by a yellow dot, and these are Pico Radius 7 switches which have an approach angle of 22.5 degrees. Opposing to all the switches with the red dot around them, they have an approach angle of 15 degrees. So why do I have 2 different types of switches? It's pretty simple. The bigger the switch, the safer will the train ride be, but I don't have space for only 15 degrees approach angle switches. So basically I use the other type of switch to conserve space. I've already got the Pico Radius 7 switches and the station building, which you will see later on in this video. And I need to purchase the 4 15 degree approach angle switches, also all the straight and curved track pieces to accomplish the track plan. And I need to buy a signal box and a goods shed. And I probably have to build myself the engine shed, because I can't find one which is long enough to accommodate all the locomotives I own. Maybe this will be another video in the future, building the engine shed, I don't know yet, but I think this would be fun. So that's it for the track plan. Let's see what we can do with the station building.
Okay, we are in the shop and this is the station building. I bought it used off of eBay and now I have to reassemble it. So I think a time lapse might be a good thing to do. And just like that, I've got myself a nice station building. So that wraps up the video for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for the next videos. I know the planning phase of the layout might be a little bit boring for some of you, but it's a very important step to get a nice functional layout at the end of the day. We will be out in the garden soon, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching and bye.